crazy that this all works. Follow me on my journey living outside the box. What is up, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Travelness. Today, or the last week, a subscriber hit me up and he wanted to do something with me here in Nairobi. And he offered me to give me company, that I'm not alone when I take a matatu or when I walk around here. So we're here now. We're gonna take a matatu and take a full road trip, and we see how it goes. Don't photo me, please.
No.
I'll meet you.
Oh my god.
Some people are just not done. Never mind it.
I thought it means right. Yeah. First time in a matatu in Nairobi. It's pretty packed, loud, a lot of people, but I'm stunned. Let's see what we're gonna experience on this journey. This is John Miner. This is one of my subscribers. I have the honor today to drive with him in this matatu. Let's see. First matatu ride, I survived. It was very comfortable. Cool music playlist.
Like these ones now, these are going on long road.
There we have the more fresh ones, which are going on long road. Our ones was not so hip, so cool, but it was an experience. I liked it, and it's pretty cheap. And the system behind it, with the conductor and the rates, depending on rush hour or not rush hour, it's crazy that this all works.
Baby.
This is a typical theme which they have in the matatus. No? This is like a Viking theme. They have hip-hop theme. They have Bundesliga, German Bundesliga with German words on it. Echte Liebe, true love. They have everything here. They are so creative. I can repeat it often enough. I love it. And it's so busy in town. The plan is checking out some matatus, some cool matatus. They are taking a small walk in the CBD, and then we are catching a matatu back to the CBD. So far the plan. Don't hold it. They told me. We're all trying to get customers. Overstimulation at its finest. Oh yeah, here we were not finding the tuned matatu. This is what I don't like. If people come in with their hands and try to do something, they talk to me touching.
Gong matatus.
They're driving to Ngong.
Depends on which area. You get matatus from Gong, Rongai, other parts of the Eastland.
Like you say here, the more tuned one, the more hip ones,
Yes,
they're going to
like
Ngong and to Rongai, yeah? But this is very good work, yeah?
Yeah.
This is nice, eh? You like Pablo Escobar?
Yeah.
You like him?
I love the series so much.
The series is nice, but I don't know if you, if it's ethical to like what he did.
No, it's
But he moved up, that's the cool thing, eh? Why?
It depends on the series.
They like entertainment, eh?
Yes.
Kenyans also like entertainment a lot. Soccer, series, music.
Sabtian kama tu kuweza watu. Karibu sana. Tupenda hii.
Movie Doctor, Tupac, we have everything here. Unbelievable. Here, Ice Cube. Even some animes, or what is this? I don't know, in the loop. Love it. So, we end our walk in the CBD. We're gonna go now to Galleria Mall with this matatu here. It's a bit cooler. Check it out.
We came from Italy.
No, Turkish. Turkish. Turkey.
Where?
Where?
Which continent? Which continent? Europe.
Ah, Europe. Yeah,
Oh, Europe.
Yeah.
Oh, it's okay.
And you?
I'm Africana. Nyanza. Nyanza.
What is it? What is this? Kenya?
Kenya.
Ah, okay.
The part called Nyanza.
Ah, okay.
Beba Runga, you will pay me something.
Vamos.
Beba Runga.
That's what you get going from A to B. Just public transport. You get a club. Crazy. Love it.
Been pulling cape up.
Round with a new chick, she like cola. Next to the security cell, I'm gripping O. Tryna catch me riding dirty. Tryna catch me riding dirty.
To the floor, let's see on how that thing. If you feel me right, grab the kryptonite edition from tonight. When it's on tonight.
Yeah, we're here now at the station of Ruko School / Galleria Mall. 2 drives with the matatu today was very exciting, and like I explained before, they have a system behind it with the conductors and with the traffic jams. If they want to avoid a traffic jam, they have some spotters staying somewhere at the corner, and they call them and tell them that they should take another road. It's crazy. Even the rush hour is influencing how much you pay for the matatu. So we paid now 50 shilling from Karen Roundabout to the Kencom station, and 100 shilling to go from the Kencom station to the Galleria Mall. And you can tell me if I paid the Muzungu price or if I had a good price. For me it seems like a very good price. It was a very good experience. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, I'm very thankful for my follower and friend now, hopefully, John Miner. I appreciate what he did, that he took us on this ride now here. Made me more self-confident to move within Nairobi.
Yeah, always.
What I was thinking,
Yeah.
because you said you do some handwork and stuff, no?
Yes,
I need
yes.
anyway for home. I was not buying yet, except this.
Oh, okay.
So I guess you can.
Yes,
you
I
better
will.
make some stuff for us.
Will
It's
come.
even more authentic.
Yes, yes.
I give you a bit for this for your work,
Yes.
and then I take home work from you. No?
Yeah. I make very good.
Now we can speak what I need.
Yeah. It's a little bit cool.
It's fresher.
Yeah. Hey, you, Mike. Hi.
Don't call him, eh?
Okay. For what is he waiting?
No, he's just waiting for someone to throw something for him to eat. Hey, Mike.
You called him Mike or what?
No, I'm just calling him
Okay.
a name.
He's chilling his life, eh?
Yeah. Just seeing.
He also has to hustle, eh? He has to sit all day, wait until some food comes.
Until someone drops something.
This is the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my small matatu trip with my new friends, John. I had a lot of fun with him. I felt very safe with him. He was guiding us pretty well. And yeah, thank you for this.
You're welcome.
John Miner, thank you. One of my most loyal subscribers for now. Don't forget to subscribe. Give me a thumb up if you like this experience. And keep the comment section busy. Tell me what you think about my small trip. See you the next time.